Hi everyone, this is Jack Episodes and today isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ma-avoid ng mga ganyang pangyayari sa bed ng pickup truck nyo. Introducing the Barricade. It's a stainless steel pipe with stainless bolts and nuts, and yung tension lock mechanism niya naman is powder coated to prevent corrosion. Take note guys, itong lever na ito ay may lifetime powder coat warranty as long as walang damage ng mechanism. Alright, so install na natin to dito sa likod ng pickup truck natin. So ganito lang siya kadali. So na-prevent na natin yung mga gamit natin from moving backward and forward. So ang tanong naman, paano naman natin mape-prevent on moving sideways? So nag-develop si Barricade ng tinatawag na quick release divider. So ito namang quick release divider, from the word itself, napakadaling ikabit nito. So ipe-place mo lang siya sa desired position kung saan mo kailangan. So ita-tighten nyo lang siya. Pag nakuha mo na yung tamang tension, ibababa mo lang ulit yung lever. Yan. So after natin ma-install itong Barricade sa likod ng pickup truck natin, babalik na natin ngayon yung mga gamit natin at tignan natin kung gaano ka-effective itong product na to. So there you go, problem solved. If ever you're interested in getting these awesome items, message nyo lang ang Barricade PH. Nasa comment and caption na rin yung kanilang Facebook page and link where you can order this. So again, till next budol, ingat!